So I'm here at the Harty Ferry, going to check out the World War II air raid shelter. Up there is where the escape hatch is, or would have been. Some blast protection at the sides. They're even used in nuclear bunkers as well. So there's the ladder, and that would have been the escape hatch up there. That's the toilet. Pretty good condition actually. Let's have a little climb and I'll check it out from up there. So that's the place where the ferry used to go to or Faversham. And I'm standing on the air raid shelter now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video.